A very good morning, students. Welcome back to our maths class. In today's class, we will be continuing the chapter number 10, measurement. We will be doing some of the word problems from the exercise 10E. We will be starting with the question number 5. The question number 2, 3, 4, this we have discussed in the previous video. So I will be starting with the question number 5. You can take out page number 153. I am reading the question. Manish weight is 83 kg 450 gram and Ashish is 6 kg 900 gram heavier than him. Find Ashish weight in kg. We have to find the weight of Ashish in kg. And what is given? Manish weight is given. Manish weight. It is given in the question. What is the weight of the Manish? It is 83 kg and 450 gram. This is the weight of Manish which is given in the question, and it is given that Ashish, we have to find the weight of the Ashish. In the question it is given that Ashish weigh more Ashish weigh more, that is 6 kg and 900 gram. The weight of Manish we know, it is given, and in the question it is given that Ashish weight it is 6 kg 900 gram more than the weight of the Manish. So what we will be doing? We will be adding this 2 and then we will be getting the weight of Ashish. So Ashish weight, we will be adding this 2. You have to add this 2, and if you will be adding this 2, what you will be getting? I am writing here directly. You will be getting 90 kg and 350 grams. Now in the question it is given that we have to find the weight of Ashish in kg only. So in kg what will be the weight of the Ashish? It would be 90.350 kg. Now let us do the question number 6. From the exercise 10E only, you can turn your page, you can come to the page number 154. Find the net weight in grams of the content of a breakfast cereal package if the gross weight is in 1 kg 200 gram and the packaging weight is 15 gram. So here the gross weight is given. Gross weight. What is the gross weight which is given? It is 1 kg 200 grams. 1 kg 200 grams. It is the gross weight which is given. So we can convert it into the gram. I could write it as 1200 grams. Packaging weight. Packaging weight. What is the packaging weight here? The packaging weight here it is given, it is 15 gram. This is the packaging weight. So we have to find the net weight. So what will be the net weight? The net weight will be equal to 1200 plus 15. If you add this 2, you will be getting 1. Again, let us revise this question. The gross weight it is given in the question, it is 1 kg 200 gram. So we have converted it into the grams. I could write it as 1200 grams. And packaging weight it is given, it is 15 gram. And we have to find here the net weight. So how we will be finding the net weight? We will be adding 1200 with the 15. So we will be getting 1215 gram. This will be the net weight. Now let us do one more question. That is the question number 7. 15 bags of wheat were delivered at a grocery shop. The total weight being 144 kg 780 gram. If all bags contain equal amount of wheat, find the weight of each bag. So first of all, we will be writing what is given in the question. Weight of 15 bags of wheat is given. Weight of 15 bags of the wheat, it is given. It is 144 kg and 780 gram. This is the weight of the 15 bags which is given in the question. We have to find the weight in each bag. What we have to find? Weight in each bag. So the weight of 15 bag is this much, and we have to find the weight of one bag. The wheat, it is equally distributed in the 15 bag. So how we will be finding? We will be dividing 144 kg 780 grams with the 15. We will be dividing this. So before dividing this, we could write 144 kg 780 grams into kg. So I will be writing it 144.78 kg divided by 15. Division of the decimals we have done. How to do the division in case of the decimals? So if we do the division, we will be getting 9652 kg. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.